Hello and welcome to another update video about VeChain. Before we dive into the microstructures, we are going to take a look at the bigger picture to get everybody on the same page. VeChain has rallied further into the resistance area, and we just need to understand what the key levels are that matter at the moment. VeChain is deep in resistance, but VeChain has not yet broken above the key pivot here. Remember, we're tracking upside. I'm still tracking an uptrend. I am tracking primarily the yellow scenario, which is a wave 2 corrective rally, which will become less likely above 14.7 cents and which will become invalidated with a break above the all-time high. So someone asked me in the last video, could actually VeChain, or could VeChain not go to the all-time high? Of course, it could go to the all-time high. Why not? I mean, VeChain, the message here is we're in an uptrend. So I'm tracking locally an uptrend, and I can tell you that we're likely in a third wave, in a C wave, which needs afterwards another 4-5 pattern to complete. So the overall uptrend is likely not done yet. I pay attention to the resistance levels, but VeChain is fast at the moment, so the top is likely not yet in, okay? And we know that such a wave 2 corrective rally becomes less likely above 14.7 cents. And it will be invalidated with a break above the all-time high, right? But that's why we have the white scenario on the chart as well. And it doesn't really matter if I'm tracking the yellow one or the white one at the moment. These are just labels, okay? The yellow scenario keeps us on our toes. It reminds us about risk management. But we know that the yellow and the white count, they move together, okay? So the microstructure still allows for another 4-5 pattern at least, you know, in the yellow count, in the C wave. The white count and the yellow count will move together until all 5 waves are complete. And then I will add support for the white wave 4, which will become the primary count if the pullback is corrective and holds a higher low. I mean, that's pretty much as it is. We take it level by level with these altcoins, and I talked to you about it before that if this C wave is unfolding 28.8 cents, 66.8 cents, or even 195, they are just standard targets for a C wave. But I find 195 a bit stretched, all right? And let's first see if we can actually test the all-time high. That would even be possible in the yellow scenario, even though it will become less likely above 14.7 cents. Now, let's take a look at the smaller time frame, not this one, here. Because VeChain is still moving in our price channel. I mean, we had a local setup here, which the price used to turn around. Okay, we're moving up, possibly in an extended 5th wave of a 3rd wave. Surely other interpretations on the micro level are possible, but it's working, okay? It's working. And you see there's quite a bit of volatility there at the moment. And we could still push a little bit higher, surely. Then we want to see a wave 4 and a wave 5, which could complete the larger 3rd wave, okay, circle 3. Then we could get another 4-5. Now, that means I'm pretty much watching for, just wondering where the labels are for the, maybe they're gone, or it's accidentally deleted. But they're on the long-term chart anyway, still showing you that this 5th wave is part of that C wave. But the idea would be that I'd like to see at least one more high in circle 3. Reminder, this is this circle 3 here. I'd like to see at least one more high, maybe even 2. And you already know about the key pivots, right? Now, interestingly is that VeChain is now, I go to the 1 hour chart, VeChain is moving in this corrective price, not corrective, in this trend channel, and we're now in the upper section of that channel. You see how well it's actually being respected. I mean, it respects it really well. Fibonacci support as well. I'd say a break below the center line there could be an indication that the 4th wave has started, with support between 4.6 cents and 6.18 cents. For now, we face some resistance there. And if we break out, I already mentioned to you the next resistance areas or levels, right? So the trend is up. Below 4.6 cents, we're likely in the larger 4th wave already, but I have nothing bullish left below 3.3 cents. That's the update about VeChain. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.